Hi, we're Scott and Kelly. Welcome to Grateful Getaways. Dogwood Canyon is located in the Ozarks, just 30 miles southwest of Branson and north of the Arkansas state line. Dogwood Canyon Nature Park is a 10,000-acre park. It is owned by the Johnny Morris Foundation that includes the Bass Pro Shops, Wonders of Wildlife Museum, as well as the aquarium. This is a family destination that will include hiking, biking, wildlife tours, horseback riding, and trout fishing. Adult passes range from $16 to $20, and child tickets range anywhere from $11 to $14. The tours and some activities are extras, so be sure and check the website. Also on site, you will find a restaurant and a nature center. The paved trail is a little over 3 miles long. Be sure to stop at the gift shop to pick up a map that will tell you about the landmarks that you will see along the way. The walk is easy and flat, and if you decide not to go all the way, you can always turn around at any time. But we say go all the way to the end. It's very much worth it. Hope Wilderness Chapel was completed in 2002. It's a replica of churches from the 1800s and was handcrafted by Dogwood Canyon staff members. Okay, today we are at the Hope Wilderness Chapel here at Dogwood Canyon. We decided to walk some paved trails today. We have not been here in a very long time.
And today is our 30th wedding anniversary, so we thought we would just do some easy hikes and just enjoy the day with each other.
Yeah.
It's really pretty here.
And my favorite tree and flower are dogwoods, so this is a perfect place to come see the dogwoods. They are in bloom right now, so this is a pretty awesome place to observe and see that.
Most definitely.
It's not too crowded today, so it's a perfect day to do this.
So far we've put in like 16 miles hiking, so today we're just kind of walking, yeah, and so today we're just kind of more on flat surfaces and
but we're putting in a lot of miles today. Don't let him fool you.
Yeah.
All right.
And that's fine.
See you on the road soon. Along the paved trail, you will cross numerous bridges with beautiful ironwork that's fun to stop and look at, as well as the numerous waterfalls that you will also see along the way. The Chuck Wagon site allows private groups to enjoy special meals. You can find more information on the website. What we said we were not going to do, we are about to do. We're taking the Box Canyon Trail. It's a 0.6 elevation gain of 71 feet, and it's supposed to take us to a unique boxed-in bluff. So we're headed up there. Okay, we're going to be honest. This isn't a service road, but I think we're okay with that. It's pretty through here, and it's fun to just be out in the middle of the woods.
It's not like Help Me Jesus Hill.
Of the war chief, the peace chief, and the oldest person in the village with all.
If you've ever been to Bass Pro, you know that waterfalls are just a thing, and Dogwood Canyon is no exception. Yes, these are not natural waterfalls necessarily, but they're absolutely stunning nonetheless, and you will enjoy the entire park. We cross this little bridge, we'll go down to the water below. Okay, so we're looking forward to seeing the 260-year-old sycamore tree. There it is, it didn't make it. Welcome to Arkansas. We are about to enter another state again.
This time on foot.
On foot.
Hi.
Welcome back to the trail.
When nature calls.
we made it to the end, and we are at Wishbowl Falls, and this is the turnaround spot here at Dogwood Canyon. It's beautiful. I recommend just do the paved hike if you don't feel like doing the nature trails. It's really worth it.
Oh yeah. Very calm, relaxing hike.
Great place.
Pretty level the whole way. A little uphill now and then, but nothing major.
Great place for a little rest before you head back 3 miles back.
Yep.
See you there.
Bye.
The best Missouri sign ever. What do they call it that? Oh, wow. We just finished up a 6.5 mile hike in Dogwood Canyon.
Absolutely beautiful.
It was. It's more of a walk because there really was no elevation. We only got off the paved trail one time, but it was very pretty. And this wraps up actually our
Arkansas adventure.
Arkansas and southern Missouri. Yeah, so had a great 4 days, jam-packed, full of fun. And this is it for our little 4-day excursion. So
hope you all enjoyed it.
We had a great time. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.